Hello and welcome to Master Stage. And today we are going to learn about the concept of e-learning, like as a computer, as a learning tool. So the concept we are going to discuss, which is a part of your AP TET, okay, Child Development and Pedagogy, ICT, okay, that is Information and Communication Technology for the Special Education Aptitude. Okay, so why computers matters? So the computers change the way the classroom, the conduct of the lecture, okay, transform the information from teacher to student, okay, got changed. So these computers fill the gap from in traditional method to open door inclusive education. So it is a shift from chalk and talk or from chalk and board to digital platforms. So it is a new era of pedagogy, okay, especially for the crucial for special education. So computers as a learning tool. Okay, so we can access information from anywhere. Okay, let me have this. Okay, anywhere you can access. Okay, and you can have the digital resources. Okay, in your fingertips by using Google or Wikipedia, Khan Academy, etc. Then interactive learning. So engaging multimedia experience the increasing understanding by using simulations and games. Then problem solving, so it is it helps for critical thinking through simulation and activities like using coding or virtual lab. Okay, creative expression, so digital tools for those who are artistically and those who want to innovate their expressions, okay, and innovative projects through digital art or video making. And when you are sharing information, you can use the collaboration, okay, like working together across the globe, and you can share the documents by using Google Docs or Zoom, etc. So let us see role in regular education. So it increases the teaching efficiency. So the streamlined lessons, whether lesson planning or content delivery or assessment process, it is very easy, like using PowerPoint and LMS, Learning Management System. Then blended learning is also called as flipped classroom. So it is the combination of traditional and digital method for maximum learning outcome. And complex concepts like to 3D models and animation. So visual aids, simulations, okay, make difficult topics easier to grasp for the students. Then multimedia support. So by using YouTube and interactive PDFs like videos, animations, interactive content, enhance learning and teaching uh, is going to be increased. So role of a computer in education, like ICT education, is the teaching efficiency, blended learning, complex concepts, and multimedia support. So computers in special education, so children with the special needs, okay, so they can use the AT uh, technologies, that is assistive technologies, okay, which transforms lives. So screen readers and text to speech, okay, so for visual impaired learners, so they can use J, Jo- JAWS or NVDA or visual schedules and social story apps for the autism spectrum. So they can use the Prologo to go. So here it is mentioned, just you screenshot and remember. And adaptive devices for physically disabled people, they can use by like eye gaze systems. Then customized tools for supporting individualized education plans. You should remember individualized education plan, that we can say that IEP. So special I apps available. So technology removes all the difficulties and barriers and empower the children to learn easily and effective way. So that is the part of assistive technology. You have to remember what is screen readers, what is visual schedules, what is adaptive devices, what is customized tools. So just you have to remember all those things. Then what is e-learning? Okay, so we know online learning and everything, but we'll go in depth. So technology supported learning is flexible, accessible, and self-paced. So e-learning represents it is the future of education. So electronic learning. Okay, so it is breaks all the geographical barriers. So anywhere you sit, you can learn. You can make the good quality education, and the education can be accessed by everyone, regardless of their location, their caste, creed, or abilities. So I request you do subscribe my channel, that is Master Teach. If you want, you can, for the content, you can download Mohan's Teaching Corner, as well as you can contact me for the PDFs. Okay, so types of e-learning. There are four types here mentioned. One is synchronous learning, then asynchronous learning, then blended learning, then mobile learning. Okay, so let us see what is synchronous learning. Example, Zoom classes. So live classes with the real-time interaction between teacher and student. Okay, if you are use if you are instantly, like simultaneously, if you are watching my class live, that be that become synchronous learning. Then asynchronous learning. That means once I recorded and uploaded in my channel Masters Teach, when you recorded that one, when you see that one, that is called as Asynchronous learning. Pre-recorded lessons that accessible anytime, anywhere, at learner's convenient time. Then blended learning. So it is a classroom plus online. So it is combination of face-to-face interaction with the online digital components. Then everybody knows the mobile learning. It is the Duolingo, like Khan Academy, you can use for the mobile learning. So learning through smartphones, tablets. So education on the go. Anywhere you go, along with the mobile, you can learn. Okay, simply you can download Mohan's Teaching Corner. You can access anywhere, any part of the country, or anywhere in the world. While go, you can watch these classes. Okay, here there are synchronous learning, asynchronous learning, then blended learning, mobile learning. So components of e-learning. So hardware, software, connectivity, content. Okay, what is hardware? It is a tangible, like computers, tablets, projectors, interactive whiteboards from physical foundations like laptops, tablets. Then software. So it is educational apps. Okay, simply we can say this learning management system. Okay, LMS, and assistive tools, models, Google Classroom, etc. Connectivity. So reliable internet, Wi-Fi access. So enable to access digital learning through Wi-Fi broadband. Then content. So the content may be videos, PDFs, interactive quizzes, multimedia, learning materials like PDFs and videos. It's the components of e-learning. There is electronic learning. Then advantages for teachers and students. So let us see for the first students. It is self-paced learning accommodating individual speed. According to the speed of the learning capabilities of the learners, they can learn. So multimedia engagement. So they can use by videos, audios, interactive method. So the assessment can be real time. The feedback will be given, and it is active based. So learning paths, so tailored to the needs of the student. So what is the teachers? So teachers can assess easily. They can uh, view the progress of the student. So the content can be delivered efficiently. Okay, then data of the inside of the student can be the performance can be analyzed easily. So it can address diverse needs of the student, like different types of students are there. For them, according to that, we can teach by using the e-learning. So these are for the students, this for the teachers. So those who want to have this particular PPT, you can download Mohan's Teaching Corner and you can access. Okay, then e-learning for the special education. So what helps? It removes barrier. So anybody can learn. It eliminates physical and learning obstacle, ramps and radios. Then visual support. So those who are unable to view properly, visually impaired learners, so they can use the screen readers. Hearing support. So those who are having hearing impaired students, so they can use these tools like caption, sign language. Then physical needs, adaptive for devices for mobility challenge, voice control devices also. Just you speak and that will answer your things. Then independence. So they can learn independently in on your own, customized. So in digital, you can increase the font, decrease the font, or you can change the colors. That's the thing. So e-learning for the special education. Okay, I hope it is interesting. Then, what is the challenges in e-learning? So, it is the digital divide. Not everybody get the equal access of the internet or technology. So, it divides people among the people. Then, ICT skill gaps. So, many teachers and students don't know how to use computers or softwares. So, there's a difficulty having the digital literacy among the students and teacher. Then about the infrastructure, it is very high cost. The software and maintenance require significant financial investment. Then screen addiction. So people excessive looking at the screen that lead to become blind. So and so that is the thing. Then training needs. So continuous professional development required for the effective assistant technology implements. So these are the challenges. So pedagogical uses for computers. So you can use multimedia demonstration and visual aids like PowerPoint and Prezi. Assessment, you can conduct different online test quizzes and Insta evaluation like by using Google Forms and Kahoot. Then resources, digital libraries. So they can access from anywhere with a huge data by using ebooks or Wikipedia. The communication. So the information can be transferred from one person to another. Okay, by using collaborative tools and discussion forums like email and forms. Then assistive tech, specially special tools for the children with special needs. Okay, like for them there is screen readers, voice control, etc. So what is the teacher role in e-learning? So teacher is the facilitator. So he guides the students through digital learning journeys. So he'll be the content designer. He has to create the digital learning material. Then technology integrator. So seamlessly he has to blend the tech with pedagogy, and he will the motivator. So he has to inspire and encourage the online students. So he is also evaluator. So by using the different digital apps, he has to assess the student. So as AP TET, so for this you have to learn like computer assisted instruction, also interacting learnings. So you should know what is the synchronous, asynchronous, live class versus self-paced recorded versus like that. Then blended learning, integration of traditional and digital method, face to face and online. Then assistive technology, using the supporting like children with special needs in inclusive classroom, like can use the screen readers, magnifiers. Then ICT inclusion. So technology enable the inclusion for all the learners. Digital literacy, so essential for the information and communication technology competence for the modern teachers. So everybody needs a basic computer literacy skills. So what we learn here, so the technology revolutionized in learning. It is making more accessible and engaging and inclusive. So e-learning supports different types of learners, especially for the children with the special needs. So you have to learn all these concepts. Okay, technology will never replace a great teacher, but technology is in the hands of great teacher. It is the transformational. So if you like my content, do like and share, comment, and simultaneously you can download Mohan's teaching corner. You will get PDFs, then videos, online videos, everything. Go through these points again and again. It will be helpful to you. All the best for your coming examination. So here I am signing off. We'll meet tomorrow with the next, with the best episode. Thank you.